In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with project and archive sheets in Smartsheet using a simple step-by-step process. First, start by opening your project sheet in Smartsheet. Make sure you're logged in, then navigate to the main sheet you use to manage your project work. This might be listed under your recent items, in a folder, or inside a workspace. Once it's open, you should see the familiar grid view with your tasks, dates, and other project columns. Next, follow the highlighted areas on your screen. You'll be clicking a series of buttons and menu items that are already marked for you. These highlights typically appear in the toolbar, the sheet tabs, or the left-hand navigation. Take your time with each click so you can see exactly which part of the interface you're interacting with. The idea here is to move from your current project sheet view toward the location where your archive sheet is stored. As you continue clicking through the highlighted spots, you'll be guided to the section where the archive sheet lives. When you see Archive Sheet in your list, go ahead and click that. This is usually a separate sheet where older or completed project information is stored, helping you keep your main project sheet clean and focused on active work. You'll also see an item called Copy of Project Sheet. Click on that as shown. This is typically a duplicate of your main project sheet that you can use as a backup, a template, or a transitional version before archiving. Opening this copy allows you to verify that all the structure, columns, and data you need are present before you move things around or retire an older sheet. Next, you'll be guided back into your Smartsheet workspaces. Follow the highlighted navigation to locate the workspace that contains your project-related sheets. There, you'll again select Copy of Project Sheet and Archive Sheet, making sure you understand where each one is stored. This is helpful for keeping a clear separation between active workspaces and those meant for historical records. You'll then click into a new workspace, as indicated, which may contain an untitled sheet. Open that untitled sheet so you can see how it fits into your overall structure. From there, click on the workspace name itself to get a full view of everything inside it. Finally, follow the last highlighted prompts to move back to the main workspaces area. This gives you a top-level view of all your workspaces, including where your project sheet, its copy, and your archive sheet are organized. By the end of these steps, you'll know exactly how to navigate between active project sheets, their copies, and archive sheets in Smartsheet, and how they're arranged within your workspaces.